Hey, welcome to In the Shop with Scott. After a couple week break, just a lot of work and life happening. Back down here making sawdust. Got a new project, something I've never tried. There'll be a full build video in a few weeks when it's done, but hope you enjoy watching what's going on right now. So I decided to try making a fish landing net. I've seen some others make these recently on Instagram. Thought it looked like a cool project. Not a lot of material to it, and get to use a variety of tools throughout the process. In the full build video, I'll give much more description on what I'm doing and what materials I'm using. As I mentioned, using a variety of tools for this project. As you can see, I'm already up to tool number 4. And here we are on to tool number 6 to rip these strips. I was pleasantly surprised how easy these strips bent around the hoop shape here. I expected to have some cracking or breakage, but they really did wrap up nice and cleanly.